Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin slips below key support. Gold soars to records as trade war fears grip markets. Spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs post their strongest week since October, with institutions betting long-term. MicroStrategy signals another Bitcoin buy after $1.25 billion splurge. Cryptocurrency markets took a hit as escalating U.S. EU trade tensions sparked a risk-off move across global assets. Bitcoin currently trades at $93,126 after sliding from $95,000, while Ethereum sits at $3,221. President Trump announced 10% tariffs on 8 European countries starting February 1st, escalating to 25% by June unless a broader trade agreement is reached. The tariff threats triggered approximately $865 million in crypto liquidations, with 90% from long positions. Altcoins bore the brunt of selling pressure, with Solana down over 6%, XRP falling 4%, and Dogecoin declining 7%. Gold and silver surged to record highs as investors rotated towards safe haven assets, but Bitcoin failed its digital gold test, selling off during geopolitical uncertainty. However, institutional capital is positioning for the long term. US-listed spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs experienced their strongest week in 3 months, pulling in approximately $2 billion in combined inflows. Bitcoin ETFs saw net inflows of $1.42 billion, with BlackRock's IBIT leading at $1.03 billion. Market analysts note institutions are making direct bullish bets on long-term price appreciation. CME Bitcoin futures open interest has increased 33%, driven primarily by non-commercial traders seeking bullish exposure. MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor signaled another Bitcoin purchase may be imminent after the company disclosed a $1.25 billion buy on January 18th. Strategy has accumulated 14,910 Bitcoin in 2026 alone, bringing total holdings to approximately 687,410 Bitcoin. Hyperliquid has solidified dominance in perpetuals trading, holding roughly $9.57 billion in open interest over the past 24 hours, exceeding the combined $7.34 billion of 5 major competing platforms. Ethereum set a record for daily transactions, hitting an all-time high of 2.885 million transactions on January 17th. Despite this usage increase, average transaction fees remain near recent lows, indicating network upgrades and Layer 2 solutions are effectively handling demand. The major Senate Banking Committee Crypto Market Structure Bill faced significant industry backlash and was postponed. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong withdrew support the night before the scheduled hearing, citing concerns over DeFi provisions and stablecoin yield restrictions. Finally, Fidelity Digital Assets VP of Research Chris Kuiper stated that digital assets are approaching a shipping container moment, a structural inflection point where Wall Street integration will power crypto's next phase as wealth advisors increasingly offer crypto to clients. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.